Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use option chain on Tradingview charts. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to use option chain on Tradingview charts. So let's see how to do that. Let's get some help. Okay, so we know super traders love the experience of trading directly from Tradingview charts on DAN, and one of the most important features why users love a product is because traders can trade options too and in real time. So many of you asked for this, so we're extremely happy to introduce a newest feature, option chain on Tradingview. So now access play orders directly from the option chain using DAN. Okay, so this is pretty much how you can do that. So how to find the option chain on TV DAN? So go ahead and create an account for DAN. All right, so after creating an account for TV DAN, you can go ahead and click on this and you'll be able to create an account there. So right click on any chart of stock that is enabled for F&O. So you're going to know that, and once you right click on any chart of stock that's enabled for F&O, go ahead and select option chain. And once you select option chain, you will be able to use option chain right there in the Tradingview charts using DAN. So what's more, we are shipping more this time. Users of DAN will also have the option of applying all the Greeks on their charts. Greeks available at Delta, Beta, Gamma, and Vega. All right, so using all these options, of course, the Tradingview chart is integrated into DAN. And once you create that, or once you click on that, you'll be able to see the option chain on the chart using Tradingview on DAN. So that's pretty much the process. That is how you can use option chain on Tradingview. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.